tinanggal ko, mamamatay ka. Okay. And this is also symbolic. It means you cannot really thrive on your own. You need the help of God in your life. So this one light cannot be divided. This represents your union as one. And the center is none other than our Lord Jesus Christ. Now may we call the sponsor for the Bible, our Bible bearer.
Bible. Gusto ng big.